We built him from a blueprint, from someone else's dream. Recycle parts, new circuits, with a retro 60s theme. His belly lights are flashing, his bubble brain glows bright. A torso full of sensors turns slowly left and right. His voice can warn of danger, but there's more that he can say. Now he rolls beside us as we head outside to play. With a GPS, space link, and weather stats to share, B9 maps the world around us, reads the temperature and air. He sends it out by radio, our phones draw graphs and charts. But we're the ones who feel the wind, that's where the wonder starts. He shows us what our eyes can't see, the data and the trend. A walking, talking science lab, my robot and my friend. If a question is a doorway, then your senses are the key. Imagine what the answer is, then go outside and see. Collect the clues, compare them, find the pattern in the change. A robot and a scientist, we bring the rules in range. We gather all the data so the picture becomes clear. The robot and the scientist, the proof is standing here. Science is not books or facts to quietly memorize, but play, invention, failure, and the joy from surprise. We use maths and art and music and technology galore. It's dreaming, asking, noticing, and always wanting more. Roll with me, B9, under open skies. You add to what I'm seeing, you don't replace my eyes.